Hello parents, today we are going to recommend 10 books which are beautiful and amazing for all the age categories. So starting with the first one, my favorite, Good Night Moon. If your toddler is having a hard time to sleep, this book is amazing for you. Please use this book because in future this book is going to help you with phonics as well. It's a picture book and it has a lot of illustrations. It makes the child creative and helps sleep better. So this is your bedtime buddy. Second is Gruffalo. This book is really important because children love jungle, they love animal sounds. This book also teaches us to be clever in all situations, no matter how small you are. With cleverness, you can win over any situation. Third one is Be Brave Little Penguin. This book is on courage and it motivates and inspires little minds to dare. Therefore, this book is very important to make them strong and brave. Fourth one, Pepper books. The Pepper books are the books which has a lot of moral. Pepper has become shellfish, so how to deal with it? Pepper is not eating something, how to deal with it? So it deals with daily life situations and very practical, very easy language. Text is very simply written and therefore it's a great pick for children to teach them moral lessons as well as their language development. Fifth is The Midnight Library. In this beautiful book, how a librarian turns a difficult situation into a fun situation is depicted, and therefore this book is really important to make them realize that any situation can be molded as per our brain. These two are my ultimate favorite because in this series of books, feelings are introduced, how not to worry, how not to be upset and roar, how to say sorry. So these feelings are very important. These feelings may be very small for us, but for them it's really big. And these books from the Big Bright Feelings series has depicted it very beautifully. I would definitely recommend this for all the age categories. Everyone's favorite, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It's not just important to introduce fruits and colors and the life cycle of caterpillar, but also important to make them realize that when we are hungry, we eat. We should eat not junk food, but healthy food. So all these moral in this is wrapped up in this beautiful and famous book by Eric Carle, and I would definitely recommend it. Here comes my favorite. More than my child, I have read this. Many versions of Bhagavad Gita, but this version is ultimate because it has a lot of activities in between. If you see, there are a lot of activities. So along with the story, there is a game, and the children are hooked by this game and activity, and that is why they will have more interest in reading a book because they want to do the activity as well. So totally recommended. Again, time to tidy up, time to eat, time to make new friends. In this series, there are very simple things which we fail to understand that a child is having difficulty to understand, and therefore the child is not implementing. So while reading this book, we can implement and inculcate good habits through this series. 10th one is everyone's favorite. It is written by the very famous PJ Palacio, and it is about discovering the wonder in ourselves, not just pointing the negatives, but appreciating the positive and realizing that all of us are wonderful. We may be looking different, but we are all wonderful in our own ways. Thank you so much. Please share these recommendations with parents who are readers and who want to raise readers, also with parents looking for book recommendations. As an author and a storyteller, I highly recommend these 10 books to introduce to the kids at all age categories, because for each age category, the takeaway is different. For elders, they will learn the new words and the spellings and the pronunciation and the expression. For younger children, they will learn the feelings and they will learn the meaning and they will understand by seeing the pictures. So this is very important for all age categories. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. Bye.